In this video, you will learn how to use this simple and powerful indicator that is called Vortex to trade binary options in a profitable way. And I'm going to explain you each and everything in a simple to follow way so that you can easily be able to trade binary options in a profitable way by using this Vortex indicator. And this indicator is available inside Pocket Option. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then do yourself a favor. I have given a link in the description of this YouTube video. Create an account on Pocket Option by using that link, and you will be eligible to get a huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, you will keep on receiving deposit bonuses in upcoming days too when you keep on depositing inside this platform. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. But before that, after watching this video, if you think this video was helpful for you, then please do like this video. And if you do have any questions regarding this video, then ask me in the comment section below. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, select the currency pair that you want to make trade on, okay? And then click on here, okay? And one more thing, okay? If you want to make this currency pair favorite, then just click on, just for example, USD If you click on this and it becomes yellow, then it will appear at here, okay? And you can make trade easily, switch to any of this currency pair. Now once you do that much, then just click on these candles and make sure this candle is selected and select this as 15. That means all of these candles are forming in 15-second time frame. Similarly, just uh, select here, okay, and select this as, sorry, not as 15, M1, okay. So that means your trading time frame is going to be 1 minute, okay. And then decide the amount that you want to invest and put it at here, okay, like maybe 10, 20, whatever it is, okay. So now once you do that, all of these things, now let's implement this vortex indicator at here. And to do so, just click on here and see wherever the vortex indicator is, click on vortex, okay, and you will see the vortex indicator at here. You can enlarge this indicator by clicking on this upward arrow in this way, okay. Now to use this vortex indicator, it is extremely simple, okay. So what happens is whenever this red line is crossing, okay, red line is crossing and going in upward direction, okay, that means the market is falling down, okay. And whenever this green line is crossing, okay, and green line is crossing this red line and moving to upward direction, that means the market is going up, okay. So now you need to understand one thing very carefully while using vortex indicator, okay. So whenever this kind of crossover happens, exact that is the time you need to, that is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on higher, okay. So if green line is going upward, you need to click on higher, and if red line is going higher, then you need to click on lower, okay. And you can see you sometimes you receive lots of fake signal also here also, like in any other indicator. And to, in order to reduce your chance of making loss, okay, what you need to see, what you need to also see is whenever this green line is going in upward direction, okay, then most of the candles should not form lots of wick, okay, like these kind of wicks. If candles are forming this kind of wicks, then you need to ignore that trade, okay, you should not take that trade. But if you see this kind of candles where it is full block, okay, there are less wick or no wick, okay, then that is the strong signal to make trade by clicking on higher whenever this line is going higher, okay. And whenever it is going at lower direction, so here it is not, let's see, okay, so here you can see it have made a crossover, it went higher, it start to go higher, okay, and candles start to form. Now if there were no any this kind of wicks, okay, while this market was falling down, then that would be a best signal to make trade by clicking on lower. But as you can see, there are small wicks, you can take risk, but this may also result you into loss. So I'll now show you by making an actual trade, okay. And let me see in any currency pair if there is good condition in the market, okay. So as you can see here, red line is crossing and going in upward direction, okay, and seems like candle is forming in full block. But let's see what happens with this candle also. So okay, this is also not a good signal, let's ignore it. So again at here also you can see a crossover have happened, and here it was forming a full block candle. Again this started to form like this, okay. So I think we need to ignore this trade also. But let's see for a second if this closes on green. No, we need to ignore this also. So okay, now you can see here full red block candle are forming, okay, and a crossover have also happened, and we can take a risk and make trade by clicking on lower at here. So now let's see what happens in 1 minute. So you need to be patience. You need to take patience. Okay, whenever you are making trade with Vortex indicator, you need to find the appropriate place from where you can make trade. As you can see, I have made a profit in this trade. Okay, so in this way, you can use this Vortex indicator to trade binary options in a profitable way. Now I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.